So you've been looking for that perfect patio set, and you don't want to spend an arm and a leg on something that will just fall apart in a few months. Today, I'm actually going to be reviewing a set from a company that reached out to me a few weeks ago. I believe this is a really beautiful set, and I think you guys will enjoy it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're into that, and I'll see you guys in the video. So I had a company reach out to me a couple of weeks ago about this furniture set, and they told me like, hey, would you be willing to do a video of this? So I told them, of course, this is the perfect time for a patio set. As you can see, it's a sunny day, and I told them that I love to create content, so this is a win for me in my books. So I actually want to talk about the brand themselves. They have a good line of products that they have on patio furniture. They have awnings, they have storage sheds, they have patio swings and outdoor chairs and umbrellas and all that. And they also have a lot of color options as well for whatever kind of style that you're going for. We're going to get started with the actual review of this sofa and this whole set. So my personal preference, this thing is actually super sturdy and super strong. It's definitely high quality, and it's something that you would want to look for whenever you're looking for patio furniture and something that will stand up against the elements and stuff. Speaking of the elements, actually, the material of the fabric is actually water resistant, so whenever you pour water on it, the water is just going to fall right off, and you can just wipe it right off, and you won't have a problem with it getting like moldy or anything. But the cushions here are actually really soft. These things, whenever you pull, like you push down or whatever, whenever you're sitting down on them, they actually come right back up, so you don't have to worry about like them getting like smashed. This furniture set is very high quality. I loved using this set. The table is actually really high quality, and I mean, it's sturdy as all can get out. Like I can't stress it enough how good this set is. So one thing I actually really want to let you guys know is the thing that I didn't do the first time that I actually put this piece together right here. This piece, it's three separate pieces, so it's like this middle piece, and then this piece on the right side of me. Whenever you're putting this set together, you want to make sure you put all the screws in before you tighten them. You want to put all the parts together, put all the screws where they're supposed to go, otherwise the parts will not line up, and it will be a pain in the butt to actually put it together. And it was the first thing until I actually did it with everything else. I actually put the table on backwards the first time I did it, so that's what happens when you don't look at the instructions or actually know what you're doing. And thank you, AECOJOY, for sending this out to me, and I hope you guys actually enjoy this video just as much as I did. But that pretty much sums it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you get to use this video as reference or whatever for whatever kind of patio set that you're looking for. Hopefully you get it from AECOJOY because they're a good company. Anyway, I'm actually going to have another one by the end of next month, so we're going to have that one out next month. Be on the lookout for another video. See you guys in the next one. So what I actually forgot to include in this video is the amount of boxes that come in. There's 4 boxes. 3 boxes come with the actual sofa seat itself, and it comes with the little square seats, and then there's also 1 box that comes with the table. So I just want to let you guys know, and then if you do get these boxes, make sure you do get them in 4 pieces, and maybe some of them will arrive late or all at the same time. It all depends on the shipping and the delivery time and the driver and all that kind of stuff. So just wanted to inform you guys of that. Like, I literally feel like I can just go to sleep.